such a beautiful day, you guys. Just finished out running. I want to talk about the different Amazon loans and the difference, because I didn't know until today. Today I was approved for the Marcus by Goldman Sachs. It says it's a loan on the Amazon central dash, but a further look with it, it's actually a line of credit, which is different from a regular loan, which Amazon does offer. It's called the Amazon lending. That's directly coming from Amazon, and kind of just talking about the difference between the two, because again, I didn't find out till today. So the Marcus is a line of credit. Basically, they approve you to a pretty much a certain amount, and that amount has a regular APR like a loan, but since the name is a line of credit, it kind of works like a credit card. So you can pull it anytime up to your approved limit, and you pay it back. So if you want to avoid interest, kind of like a credit card, or you can do I think they go bi-weekly installment payments on the Marcus. So you can do that as well, but again, you'll be paying APR. So it's kind of like a hybrid between like a regular credit card and a loan as well. What's nice about it is if you have a small approval limit, was approved for 20K, but if you're trying to build that history up, it might not be a bad idea to accept it. You don't have to take the full amount. Again, you can pull out anything you may need. For example, if you only need 5,000, whatever it may be. So it's a good idea to kind of just build that history. On the other hand, we got the regular Amazon loan. When you think of a loan, you have a set monthly payment, same as you would have an auto loan. You sign up for however long, then you have that same payment throughout every single month till you pay it off. So that's what an Amazon lending loan would look like. It's your traditional loan, super simple to understand, and you just pay a set interest, which is already included on that monthly fee. Versus the Marcus, they actually have, I think it's a 2%. Yeah, it's a 2% charge that they give you every time you draw upon it. So just add 2%, however much money you need to take on. So what is the difference between the Marcus loan and a regular credit card? Because again, the Marcus line of credit is kind of like a hybrid of the two. So if you are doing wholesale deals, majority of these wholesale companies are going to require cash. So if you don't have the cash, that's where the line of credit is handy, because that money goes into your bank account versus a credit card, which you swipe, or charge it online, whatever it may be. You don't get to get the actual cash where you can withdraw or write a check from. I mean, they do have that option. It's called cash advance, but again, they charge you a huge APR every time you do it, and the limit's super low. But that's one advantage. You can use the Marcus lending. It's a line of credit, so if you need cash to pay off a wholesale and you don't have that actual cash from your bank account or your business bank account, that's where it would come in handy, and that's what I would personally use it for. Aside from that, a regular credit card, if you can pay it in full every single month, is ideal, because you're getting credit card points from it. You're getting different cash backs, so there's a lot of benefits aside from just having a better limit than maybe like a regular loan or something like that. But again, you build up a lot of these, which is like a nice history if you are a beginner. I'm a year into my business, but I've gotten 2 offers already, one from Amazon lending, which I accepted, and the offer from Marcus lending today. So I'll see about it. I might just, again, take a little bit off, accept a little bit, then, take it from there. But it's always good to have options rather than none, especially what's going now. Rates are going up, blah, 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 all these stocks. So it's good to have that additional option for capital if we need it. And yeah, aside from that, we're just going to be utilizing the Amexes. We are a good limit in there, no problem. Cash flow is going in the business. So kind of just want to go over the difference, the two. If you run into it down the road, make sure you know the difference between the Marcus line of credit versus the Amazon lending. So those are the two difference. Want to go over it. Anyone that has questions, feel free to just let me know, and we're gonna make this thing grow one orange bar at a time. See you guys.